Prince Harry breaks silence and wins for trial in High Court privacy case. The Duke of Sussex attended a hearing at the High Court in March. The Duke of Sussex has been given the green light to proceed with his High Court privacy case against the publisher of the Daily Mail. Prince Harry is one of 7 high-profile claimants, who also include Sir Elton John and his husband, David Furnish, Baroness Doreen Lawrence, Sadie Frost, Elizabeth Hurley and Sir Simon Hughes, who have brought legal action against Associated Newspapers Limited. The claimants have accused the publisher of allegedly carrying out or commissioning unlawful activities such as hiring private investigators to place listening devices inside cars, blagging private records, and accessing and recording private phone conversations. At a hearing back in March, ANL, which firmly denies the allegations, asked a judge to rule in its favor without a trial, arguing the legal challenges against it were brought far too late. In a ruling on Friday, Mr. Justice Nicklin said ANL had not been able to deliver a knockout blow to the claims of any of these claimants. In a joint statement, lawyers acting for Harry and others said they were delighted with the ruling. ANL said in a statement, "As we have always made unequivocally clear, the lurid claims made by Prince Harry and others of phone hacking, landline tapping, burglary and sticky window microphones are simply preposterous, and we look forward to establishing this in court in due course." Harry flew over from California to make 3 appearances at the Royal Courts of Justice during the Friday hearing. Justice Nicklin concluded in his 95-page judgment that each of the 7 people in the claim have a real prospect of demonstrating that ANL concealed relevant facts that would have allowed them to bring a claim against the publisher earlier. He said, "In my judgment, each claimant has a real prospect of demonstrating that Associated, or those for whom Associated is responsible, concealed from ANL the relevant facts upon which a worthwhile claim of unlawful information gathering could have been advanced. Whilst it is common ground that the publication of any unlawful articles was not concealed, these were, on the claimant's case, only the tip of the iceberg. What was deliberately hidden from the claimants, if they are correct in their allegations, were the underlying unlawful acts that are alleged to have been used to obtain information for subsequent publication." The judge also said the group bringing the legal challenges had a real prospect of demonstrating not only that the unlawful acts themselves were concealed, but also, in many instances, further devices were employed in the published articles to throw the subject off the scent. He continued, "Several claimants complained that they believed that their confidences were being betrayed by people close to them. Depending upon what the evidence shows, this may be a significant factor on the issue of both concealment and the point at which any claimant could have been expected to begin investigating whether, in fact, the true source of private information appearing in articles was unlawful information gathering, rather than treacherous friends." The judge also concluded that the fair resolution of any issue over the timing of the claims being brought must await trial. Adrian Beltrami KC, for ANL, said at the hearing in March that the high-profile individuals could have used reasonable diligence discover if they had a potential claim before October 2016. He told the court, "The claims are rejected by the defendant in their entirety, as are the unfounded allegations that are repeatedly made, that the defendant either misled a Leveson inquiry or concealed evidence from the Leveson inquiry." The lawyer said the legal action against it has no real prospects of succeeding and is barred under a legal period of limitation. David Sherburn, representing Harry and others, said ANL's bid to have the claims ended was as ambitious as it is unattractive and that the group each had a compelling case. Mr. Sherburn later read out extracts from Baroness Lawrence's witness statement in which she said she felt played for a fool, believing the newspaper really cared about the injustice of the 1993 murder of her son Stephen Lawrence. Prince Harry, whose mother Princess Diana died when he was 12, has been a supporter since 2017. After first meeting them at an event at Buckingham Palace. Since then, he has written to bereaved families or taken part in video calls. "It is such a positive thing for us. The fact that Harry was bereaved as a child and served in the military. The young people we support really resonate with him," says Scott. "He just really gets it, and you can feel the passion coming through when he talks and writes to us. He is so willing to help and so engaged," she adds. Prince Harry was announced as a global ambassador to the charity, he wrote to the members. During what may be a particularly difficult time for you and your family, know that I am thinking of you and hoping for your Remembrance Weekend to be filled with comfort, support, and shared understanding with your fellow Scotties members, Harry said. Grief is nothing to be ashamed of, it's normal to feel sadness from loss. But don't forget that you also deserve to feel happiness. Your parent would want that, trust me, he said. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, would you please help us like, share and subscribe our channel. Wish you happy to see our videos, thank you very much.